स्वागत है आपका डॉक्टर सौरभ से क्लासेस में। और आज हम लोग सॉल्व कर रहे हैं आइजर एप्टीट्यूड टेस्ट 2025 सॉल्यूशंस और हम लोग आ चुके हैं क्वेश्चन नंबर 7 में। तो चलिए हम लोग सॉल्व कर लेते हैं। यहाँ पे दिया गया है फंक्शन इज बीइंग डिफाइंड x क्यूब माइनस 3x एंड x बीइंग डिनोटिंग द ग्रेटेस्ट इंटीजर लेस देन और इक्वल टू x. ओके, सो विच ऑफ द फॉलोइंग फंक्शन इज ट्रू वी हैव टू डिटरमाइन. सो हियर fx is equal to x cube minus 3x given x. Now x is a greatest integer function, also called the floor function. Okay, so here first x cube minus 3x, this is continuous everywhere. This is continuous everywhere. Okay, means an absolute value of a polynomial. Correct? Now x, it is discontinuous at every integer. Why? Because of jump from n. So but floor jumps at integer, so their product may be discontinuous at points where either function is discontinuous. So then where can discontinuity occur? Discontinuities can happen at integers due to the floor function and at points where x cube minus 3x is equal to 0. It affects x cube minus 3x, but this function remains continuous as modulus of a polynomial. So we will solve x cube minus 3x is equals to 0, or x minus root 3 x plus root 3 is equal to 0, or x is equal to 0 comma plus minus root 3. At this point the expression inside the modulus becomes 0. Okay, why? Because x may jump there and we need to carefully check continuity. So let's evaluate each of the option. First, every non-integer is a point of discontinuity. Let's check. Let's test with x is equal to 1. So for x is equals to 0 and x cube minus 3x means 1 minus 3 is 2. So f of x 2 multiplied by 0 is 0. For x equals to 1, 1 is equals to 1. 1 cube minus 3 is minus 2. Modulus, so 2. So f of 1 is 2. 2 multiplied by 1, 2. So here left value, as you can see, or left limit is not equals to value. So it is discontinuous at x equals to 1. Correct? Now let's try for another value. So x is equals to 2. So left hand side x is equal to 2 inverse, or x is equals to 1, 8 minus 6 is 2, or f is 2 multiplied by 1, 2. At x is equals to 2, or x is 2 comma 8 minus 6 modulus 2, and f is 2 multiplied by 2, 4. So discontinuity again. So here we have seen. Now we have to check the other options also. Okay, so let's see. Option B, f is continuous at every real number. Yes, it's a false due to discontinuity at integers. So there we are having. Third, every integer is a point of discontinuity. So here for the third option, try x is equals to 0. So x is equal to 0. So here we can see both left and right side also give x is equal to minus 1 and x is equal to 0. Need to test left limit. Left limit. So x is equal to, or x is minus 1. So then x cube minus 3x, or 0 plus 0, it is 0, comma fx is equal to 0. And what is the right limit? That is, so x is equal to 0 and fx is equal to 0. So both sides 0, and f0 is equal to 0 minus 0 multiplied by 0 continuous. So not every integer is discontinuity. That is it. Now every integer is a point of discontinuity. It is not. So this is also not. Now fourth one we have to see, f is continuous at every real number except. Okay, so let's see. Try x is equal to root 3, 1.732. So then x is equals to 1. So let's check limit from both sides. Okay. So x cube minus 3x, or 0, f tends to 0, plus. This is minus. Okay. This is for plus. So again, x cube minus 3x, 0, or f tends to 0. So at x equals to root 3 and f equals to 0 multiplied by x, that is 0 multiplied by 1 is 0. So f is continuous at plus minus root 3 and at 0. This is false. Okay. So here my correct option is option A. Best of luck, students.